The Zulu reed dance, also known as Umkhosi womhlanga, is a significant cultural event in South Africa, steeped in history and tradition. Here's a brief overview. Origins. Dates back to the 19th century. Started by King Setshwayo Kampan, 1870–1884. Initially, a ceremony to promote fertility and abundance. Purpose: 1. Celebrate the harvest season. 2. Honor the Zulu monarch. 3. Showcase young women's purity and beauty. 4. Promote cultural heritage and unity. The dance. 1. Thousands of young women gather at the royal prow, Enyokini. 2. Dressed in traditional attire, Ishichulo. 3. Carry reeds in langa, to present to the king. 4. Perform traditional dances and songs. Significance: 1. Rite of passage for young women, ages 15 to 25. 2. Demonstrates respect for the monarch and ancestors. 3. Fosters community cohesion and social bonding. 4. Preserves Zulu cultural traditions. Modernization: 1. Post-apartheid, the event was revived, 1991. 2. Now attracts international tourists and media. 3. Incorporates modern elements, e.g., fashion shows. 4. Empowers young women through cultural expression. Key figures: 1. King Goodwill's Welithini Kabhek Zulu, 1960 at -2021. 2. Queen Mother, Mount Fombi Delamini Zulu. 3. Princess Thembi and Logo, organizer and cultural ambassador. Interesting facts: 1. Over 20,000 participants annually. 2. Reeds symbolize purity, strength, and fertility. 3. The event lasts 7 to 10 days. 4. Attended by dignitaries, celebrities, and international guests. Deaths typically takes place in late August or early September. Coincides with the fall, Enyokini Royal Prow, Longoma, KwaZulu-Natal, South Africa. Would you like more information on the Zulu reed dance or related cultural practices?